Yeah, hi, in today's video we are going to be looking at a site called Skillshare, and we're going to show you what Skillshare is, how you can make money with Skillshare, and how you can make money with zero experience with Skillshare. So stay tuned for that. Let's get cracking and let's go over to the website and we'll run through exactly what Skillshare is and also how you can make money with it. Okay, so here we are on the Skillshare website, okay? And as you can see, Skillshare is where you can actually go and buy and register for different classes, different courses, and how you make money basically is you can obviously produce these courses. Now, stay tuned, because if you don't have any experience about this or you're not interested in creating courses, you can still make money with Skillshare. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll be showing you that very shortly, how you can go and do that. So let's dive a little bit more into Skillshare and show you some of the courses and how it all goes together and how you actually earn money. So as you can see here, we've got the browse feature here. So we click on the browse feature. This will give you loads of different subjects of which people have made courses about. So if we go into the lifestyle here, just click on that, and as you can see, we brings up loads of different related skills here: crafts, culinary, gaming, health and wellness, home business, languages, teaching, etc. So if we went dived into the health and wellness section, and as you can see here, they've got the courses here, and it just shows you get a thumbnail of the actual course and what it is. This is how to be happier, and this one is designing the life you want, 4 exercises for clarity and motivation. And this course, guys, is only 22 minutes long. This lady here, the teacher, she's had 22,500 students. Okay, this one's had 11,000 students, 1,300 students. This is only 34 minutes long. So these courses are not really long courses, guys. They are very, very short, okay? So again, I'll be more into marketing myself. So if I click on the marketing, and then if you want to, you can actually just search here. So if I said YouTube for argument's sake, okay, the results are coming up now. There you go. So there's all these courses on YouTube. Look, YouTube for beginners, 3 hours 39. That's a long course, 4,000 students. This one, 19 minutes, guys. Storytelling through film, and that's had nearly 16,000 students. This is video editing with Final Cut Pro X, and that's had again nearly 26,000 students register for that course. This is how Skillshare actually works, and actually how you can earn money. You basically get you can earn premium referrals that you get £10 for every student that you actually bring to Skillshare that signs up for a premium membership. Now the premium membership is not that expensive. It works out, you can do an annual membership, and we'll show you what the premium membership is very shortly. But also, this is how you can earn really good money, is you can earn royalties based on the number of minutes watched in your classes every month, okay? And they say that some top teachers are making over $100,000 per year. And obviously with some of these classes, I know that's only 14 minutes, but there's 1,600 students that have actually taken that course. So straight away, if they've watched all 14 minutes, which is a possibility, then that is a lot of minutes. So that's soon going to mount up. And if this has only been up for the last month or so, then again, this is a good earning. So you basically, all the money from the subscriptions goes into a pot, and then basically it is divvied up on a rev share count on the amount of actually minutes that people are viewing your actual classes. And like I say, if you don't want to don't want to make any classes, or you haven't got experience, then obviously stay tuned. If you haven't got experience, I'll go through how you can then pick and choose the courses to go for. And obviously, if you haven't got any experience, don't want to make any courses, then stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how you can still earn money. So let's go through how you can, some of the tips you can have to go and actually earn your cash. Now, the first thing to look for, obviously, is a course that lots of students are actually signing up for. You don't want something that nobody's actually wanting to watch, okay? So this one's only 700 whereas this one is 4,200. There's more people looking to watch this course than there is this course. Okay, so again, go into your niche. So again, if you going in, say for argument's sake, let's go back into the marketing niche. We'll go back into social media, and as you can see here, so this is the difference. Obviously, this is finding success online, grow your social media, growing through creative business. Only 46 minutes long, 8,000 students. This one's 1 hour 36, but there's only 2,000 students. So again, yeah, this is what people are obviously after. So what you've got to look at, guys, is one, you've got to look at the length here. Sometimes in certain niches, the longer the course, the better. So you want to give good value, and obviously you want to give as much information as possible. So when you outline your course, now there's a YouTube course here, and as you can see, this one here has got just it all laid out. It has 9 videos, and it's only 55 minutes long. And as you can see, some of the videos are only 4, 8, 6, 11 minutes long is the longest one. So have a look at what others are doing, see if you can improve on that, and also have a look at the reviews below. So if you go below the course, you'll see reviews. Hopefully there will be some reviews there. This one's got 1,700 reviews. So click on the reviews, and then what you want to do is you want to go on to the lowest rated reviews. So you want to find out what people don't like about the course. They're obviously giving feedback to what they want to see in the course. So again, check that out, make sure you look at the reviews, and make sure you include all this stuff in your course if there are stuff that they're wanting to see. Now the other thing you want to look at obviously is your actual thumbnail here. Make sure it's a sort of clickable thumbnail. Make sure possibly having your actual face on it might help as well. That just builds trust with the actual student that's going to actually take the course. Also look at some of the titles, that sort of thing, because if people are searching for certain keywords, then make sure these keywords are actually in your title, because you've got more chance of coming up when people are searching on Skillshare. Now, okay, so if you're not looking to actually earn money through actually becoming a course creator, you can still earn money and reasonable money just by referring people to these actual courses. And that is by becoming an affiliate for Skillshare. So basically, if you come all the way down on the website, and if you click on the company here, and under the company it says affiliates, you can click on that, and then you can join for free as an affiliate. And what it is, you can earn $7 for every new customer that you refer to Skillshare. So if you can refer people to any of these courses, and remember they've got over 35,000 online classes, and there's 60,000 plus student projects as well. There's a 30-day cookie on there, so that means that obviously someone clicks your link, they've got 30 days in order to sign up and pay the premium membership before you obviously would lose that commission. So easy to do. Obviously just click on the join for free under the affiliates tab here, fill in all your details, and then hopefully you will then get obviously approved to become an affiliate, where you can then just refer people to these courses. And how you could do that, obviously, if you're into social media marketing yourself or anything like that, you could then go over to YouTube, go and create a video, something like that, and put a link in the description that this is where you can go and grab this course, and literally just do like an overview of the course. Very, very simple to do, very easy to get people obviously to Skillshare by using the power of YouTube. Now, before we go, let's just show you what the premium membership would be. So as you can see here, by clicking the premium membership, you can start for free for 14 days. There is no commitments, you can cancel any time. You could pick the annual bill, which is $5.99 a month. And remember, you get obviously full access and unlimited access to all the premium courses here on the actual Skillshare. So as and when courses are added, if you're a premium member, you will get added to those courses and you'll be able to take those courses. You can choose the monthly option as well. You can do $14 a month if you just wanted to actually do one particular course. Then it's well worth it for £14 a month. So it's about sort of $19, $20. So for $20, you could get a course that's possibly valued way more than that. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how Skillshare works. You can actually go, obviously, and earn money by becoming a creator. So if you're looking to become a creator, go and check out the link in the description below here and follow the link to Skillshare, where you can sign up as a premium member, or you can sign up as a teacher and then obviously create your course and then start earning money as and when people watch your course. And don't forget to obviously check out the affiliate tab as well if you are more interested in just promoting the courses and earning money that way. Okay, I trust you found that interesting and useful. If you did, obviously give us the big thumbs up in the video below. Also, remember to watch this video next. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.